How to put comments in Django templates. I would like to comment this with a line.
As answer by Miles. %comment %, % and comment % is used for multi-line comments, but you can also comment out text on the same line like this.
Comment tags are documented at this URL. Single-line comments are documented at this URL.
Using the ## notation, like so.
This way can be helpful if you want to comment some Django template format code. #% include file.html %#. Right way. Following code still executes if commented with HTML comment. %include file.html %, wrong way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.